Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jeff Grimm over at SalesPype, and today we are going to focus on 3 ways that you can use ringless voicemails within your insurance agency. Now, the reality is there are tons of different ways you can use this technology, but let's just focus on a few to help get you started. Now, if you're not familiar with what a ringless voicemail is, it is essentially a call placed to an individual that bypasses their ringer altogether, so their phone's not ringing, and it goes straight to their voicemail. And the reasoning behind making a call like this is that people really just don't answer the phone a whole lot anymore. So rather than wasting all your time trying to connect live, dialing over and over and over, leaving messages, that can be time consuming. This method is just going to go straight to voicemail, and it allows you to knock out a bunch of calls quickly. And the benefit is, although people don't answer calls live, once they get that little ding on their phone that they have a voicemail, chances are they are going to check it. So let's start with the first way that I like to use ringless voicemails within my insurance agency. That first way would be reaching out to your referral partners. Now, whether you're working with loan officers, accountants, mortgage brokers, realtors, whoever it is that may be sending you business, you want to make sure that you are nurturing that relationship. If they come across a potential referral, you want to make sure that they're thinking of you. And the best way to do that is to use emails, text messages, ringless voicemails, face-to-face. You want to be working with these people and growing that relationship. So in terms of how would I use a ringless voicemail in this scenario, I would simply build out an automated campaign. And what I use is SalesPype. This is my software that I built out to help aid with the automation. So let's take a look at how this would work. Very, very simple. Let's say we wanted to build a campaign that reaches out every 30 days with a ringless voicemail to, let's say, our realtor partners. Go in here, create a campaign, and we will call this Real Estate Referral Partners. All right, so we got that campaign set up, and I want a voicemail to go out every 30 days. So now I'm just going to build out my campaign. Voicemail. Now you have the ability to just record a voicemail by calling into this number. You can pick from one that you've already uploaded to the system, or you can just grab something fresh from your computer. Now, I already have a voicemail saved here, so I'm just going to grab this, hit select, and we'll say that on day 1 we have this message to go out. And this could just be, hey, so-and-so, just check in and see things, how's business, how are things going? I want to remind you, if you ever need any help for your clients, with insurance, feel free to send them my way. You know the gist of it. You can tailor all these messages. So that's message 1. Let's say 30 days later we want another message going out. Same type of thing. You'd grab the appropriate message you want to use, and let's go ahead and schedule this to go out on day 30. Perfect. So now we got a message going out day 1, and then 30 days later. And let's just continue this going. We can build this out all the way to day 1,000. So let's add another voicemail to go out after 60 days. So we'll grab a voicemail. And day 60, you have a voicemail going out. So you get the gist of it. This is just a way to automatically be reaching out to your referral partners without doing anything on your own. This is 100% automated. Once you build the campaign, it's as simply as just adding a contact. Start the campaign, and then I'm clicking too fast here for this system. And then you would just add a contact right here. As soon as you add the contact, they are added to that automated campaign, or you could actually upload an entire list of individuals or contacts you want on this campaign. So very, very simple. Now, I recommend using other formats to reach out to your referral partners in addition to ringless voicemail, like email and SMS or MMS, but ringless voicemail is a great place to start. All right, so I would just repeat this process over and over. You have a campaign for your real estate partners, one for your accountant partners, one for your mortgage broker partners, etc. Once you get all these campaigns going, just think of all the contacts that you can be automating outreach to. All right, so that was number 1, reaching out to your referral partners. Let's move on to the second way that I like to use ringless voicemail within my insurance agency. All right, so the second way that I like to use ringless voicemail technology in my business or my agency is reaching out to late pays or non-pays, trying to encourage them to make a payment to either us or to their carrier. And again, I automate this function with SalesPype. So I'll just go in here and we're going to create a campaign for late pay individuals. We'll call this late pay calls. And we just want to schedule a ringless voicemail going out to these individuals. Now I just have something saved here, but essentially you would record something along the lines of, "Hi, so-and-so. Just want to give you a heads up. We've noticed that your bill is past due and your policy is in danger of cancellation. Please call us back or visit your carrier site today to make a payment." Something along those lines, the type of message you'd put out there. And we are going to go ahead and save this. So now we have a campaign built for late pays. And again, all you would need to do, go ahead and start the campaign. And then anyone that is on your late pay list or non-pay, you would simply add them here. You would just upload that entire list and hit start, and then all of them are going to be getting a voicemail at the same time, encouraging them to make a payment. Now think about that for a minute, how much time that would save you versus reaching out to each individual that's late. I mean, it's gonna save hours on a daily basis simply using this technology of ringless voicemail. So that is number 2, how I like to use ringless voicemail technology. Let's move on to number 3. All right, number 3. So here's the third way that I like to use ringless voicemail technology in my insurance agency. Let's go back to the dashboard here. Now, I like to use ringless voicemails initially to reach out to new leads that I haven't been able to reach yet. And then also we use it to reach out during the sales process as people move through our sales pipeline. So I'll just give you an example again. We would have a campaign for any new lead that comes into our agency, whether it's coming from a purchase lead or a website lead or a Facebook ad. However it may be, we could integrate that with our system and have it automatically trigger a campaign. So let's just call this new leads. All right, so I can just build out a campaign here that says, for instance, if I get a new lead that comes in, I want to have a voicemail go out to them right away, introducing myself and encouraging them to call back or to call in to schedule an appointment to discuss their needs. So let's just add a voicemail, select it. I want it going out immediately when that lead arrives. Hit save. Start the campaign. And then you would simply be adding the contact. And we have integrations with Zapier and a lot of other different lead sources where you wouldn't even have to touch this process once you build out the campaign and integrate it with your lead source. For instance, let's say it was a website. They fill out the website form. Our system's able to grab that information and start that campaign immediately without you even touching a button. So pretty fantastic. And again, we can schedule these out. So let's say we can't reach that lead right away. Maybe it sends them another message tomorrow or 3 days later and so on. So ringless voicemail is a great technology. And if you do it right, people don't know that it's something that's pre-recorded. So hopefully this was helpful. And again, there's a million ways you can use ringless voicemail. I'm interested to see in the comments how you guys like to use it in your agency or what potential uses you see for it. Obviously, I'm doing this demonstration in SalesPype, which is our unique software. And this is now available to the public. So if anyone is interested in learning more about SalesPype or seeing a free demo, please reach out to me, visit our website, or just contact me today. Take care, everybody.